50 division questions. Go. Question 1. What is 48 divided by 4? The correct answer is B, 12. Number 2. 36 divided by 3 equals? The correct answer is A, 12. Question 3. 50 divided by 5. What's the answer? The correct answer is C, 10. Question 4. What is 63 divided by 9? The correct answer is A, 7. Number 5. 44 divided by 4 equals? The correct answer is B, 11. Question 6. 56 divided by 8. What's the answer? The correct answer is C, 7. Question 7. What is 72 divided by 8? The correct answer is A, 9. Number 8. 60 divided by 5 equals? The correct answer is B, 12. Keep going. Question 9. 88 divided by 8. What's the answer? The correct answer is C, 11. Question 10. What is 70 divided by 7? The correct answer is A, 10. Number 11. 99 divided by 9 equals? The correct answer is A, 11. Question 12. 55 divided by 5. What's the answer? The correct answer is C, 11. Question 13. What is 77 divided by 7? The correct answer is B, 11. Number 14. 96 divided by 8 equals? The correct answer is C, 12. Question 15. 84 divided by 7. What's the answer? The correct answer is C, 12. Question 16. What is 10 divided by 2? The correct answer is B, 5. Halfway there. Number 17. 12 divided by 3 equals? The correct answer is B, 4. Question 18. 20 divided by 4. What's the answer? The correct answer is A, 5. Question 19. What is 18 divided by 6? The correct answer is B, 3. Number 20. 24 divided by 8 equals? The correct answer is A, 3. Question 21. 30 divided by 6. What's the answer? The correct answer is B, 5. Question 22. What is 40 divided by 8? The correct answer is A, 5. Number 23. 27 divided by 9 equals? The correct answer is B, 3. Question 24. 16 divided by 4. What's the answer? The correct answer is B, 4. You are a genius. Question 25. What is 45 divided by 9? The correct answer is B, 5. Number 26. 21 divided by 7 equals? The correct answer is B, 3. Question 27. 32 divided by 8. What's the answer? The correct answer is B, 4. Question 28. What is 15 divided by 3? The correct answer is B, 5. Number 29. 28 divided by 7 equals? The correct answer is B, 4. Question 30. 42 divided by 6. What's the answer? The correct answer is B, 7. Question 31. What is 6 divided by 2? The correct answer is A, 3. Number 32. 8 divided by 2 equals? The correct answer is B, 4. Almost done. Question 33. 9 divided by 3. What's the answer? The correct answer is B, 3. Question 34. What is 14 divided by 2? The correct answer is B, 7. Number 35. 25 divided by 5 equals? The correct answer is B, 5. Question 36. 35 divided by 5. What's the answer? The correct answer is A, 7. Question 37. What is 24 divided by 6? The correct answer is B, 4. Number 38. 36 divided by 6 equals? The correct answer is B, 6. Question 39. 18 divided by 3. What's the answer? The correct answer is B, 6. Question 40. What is 49 divided by 7? The correct answer is B, 7. You are on fire. Number 41. 64 divided by 8 equals? The correct answer is B, 8. Question 42. 30 divided by 5. What's the answer? The correct answer is B, 6. Question 43. What is 16 divided by 2? The correct answer is B, 8. Number 44. 54 divided by 9 equals? The correct answer is B, 6. Question 45. 33 divided by 3. What's the answer? The correct answer is C, 11. Question 46. What is 12 divided by 2? The correct answer is B, 6. Number 47. 20 divided by 5 equals? The correct answer is B, 4. Question 48. 18 divided by 2. What's the answer? The correct answer is B, 9. Stay focused. Question 49. What is 21 divided by 3? The correct answer is B, 7. Number 50. 40 divided by 5 equals? The correct answer is B, 8. Congratulations. You finished all 50 questions. Subscribe for more math quizzes every day.